Hi guys, welcome to Lisa's Home Cooking Shore Edition. Our shore house is right by the ocean, so we have a lot of seafood around here. We eat off the land. Today I'm going to show you flounder stuffed with fresh lump crab meat. It's a little bit of a longer process, but always simple and fresh ingredients. I mean, if you want a treat and you want to make something a little special for your hubby or your partner, this takes it to the next level. So we got fresh lump crab meat. We have seasoned panko, salt, pepper, paprika, lemon, eggs. This is my garlic, parsley, and extra virgin olive oil, and you could click right here to learn how to make it. And the main ingredient of this dish, flounder. Flounder is a great fish with great flavor, but stuffing it with fresh crab meat just takes it to the next level. So what we're gonna start off doing first is making our fresh lump crab meat mixture. I have here a half a pound of fresh lump crab meat. I'm going to add to this 2 tablespoons of seasoned breadcrumb, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and about 1 egg just to bind everything together. Now that we have all our ingredients in here, we're gonna mix it all together. We want all those ingredients to marry together. Kind of chop up the crab meat a little bit, but kind of leave it nice and chunky too. So panko is just a lighter version of breadcrumb. I use panko instead of breadcrumb because it holds everything together better. So now that we have this mixture, I'm gonna set it aside. And we're going to start stuffing our flounder. Now, the best thing to always do is have everything in arm's reach. So let me get my sheet pan. I line it with foil so it's easy cleanup. Lisa likes easy meals and easy cleanup. I'm gonna put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil right on the bottom, because if you do not use it, the flounder will stick to the bottom of the pan or the foil or anything you put it on. We're gonna set this aside. So now we're going to take our flounder. Each flounder fillet is about 6 to 8 ounces. We're gonna lay it on your board. I'm going to put my garlic, parsley, and olive oil mixture on it. So now I put a thin layer of my garlic, parsley, and olive oil mixture right on the bottom of the flounder. I'm going to take a handful of my crab meat and kind of line it up just like this. We're going to roll it up nice and easy. Put it right on your pan, and we're going to repeat the process until you've stuffed all your flounder fillets. So the amount of crab meat that I made, which is about half a pound, you could fill about 6 flounder fillets. A little bit of paprika just for color, just to make it look pretty. And we are going to pop these babies in the oven at 450 for about 15 to 20 minutes. So while the fish is cooking, I'm going to make you my lemon, olive oil, salt, and pepper dressing for after the fish is cooked. We are going to start off with 1 whole lemon. We're gonna squeeze that lemon in my dish. My trick is to use a fork. That's the Italian style. Put it right in here. You get most of the juice out, just like that. So we have 1 whole lemon, about a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, and about 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And we are going to mix this baby up just like this. And we're gonna set it aside and wait for our fish to be ready. Now look how beautiful this looks. The paprika gives it a beautiful color. It smells delicious. Now let's plate this baby up and taste it. Remember our lemon, olive oil, salt and pepper mixture, a little bit right on top, and there you have it, flounder stuffed with lump crab meat. Beautiful, delicious, light, and healthy. Okay guys, let's taste it. Light, beautiful, delicious. I hope you guys try this at home and let me know what you think. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bon appetit!